Dad and Dax. We're gonna do a video today of us. We bought a tent so we could go camping. We want to do an unboxing video of the tent that we got. And we picked it up at Walmart, just right down the street from us. And here it is. It's an Ozark trail, and it's a 6-piece camping combo. So it includes the tent, 2 chairs, 2 sleeping bags, and some sort of table. So let's get started. The help of my partner in crime here, Dax. This is Dax Diddy, everybody. Say hi, Dax.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what we can get ourselves into. And what do you got there, bud?
Wrong way.
You might be on the right way. You might just have to lift it up a little bit and drop it out.
It's okay. Oh.
Can you pull?
I need help.
Need help? I gotcha.
You shouldn't have taken a picture. I feel like we should take a picture.
Giant duffle. When you open that up, first thing you come to
Is a kid.
sleeping bag. What else you got there?
Another sleeping bag.
Another sleeping bag.
The tent.
And there's the tent. Gentle with it, bud. We'll put that over here. We'll put that like right here. And what else you got there?
Chair.
Got a chair for Dad to sit in. Perfect.
And another chair for me to sit in.
Another chair.
And
That's probably the table, huh?
yeah, that's the table.
So let's see. Come on over here. Have a seat in this and let's see what you think. Let's see what you think. It's a nice dark green camo color with like a nice navy blue stitch on there. What do you think, dude?
Good.
You like it or no?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
So here's the table. I feel like that should be a little more sturdy.
We just need to put
Oh, I imagine you get to tighten these things down. And that probably is what, yeah, there you go. There you go, you tighten that down.
how do you do it?
You just pull on that little tab there, bud.
Oh, this?
Yeah, just pull on that.
I want to do that.
Yeah, okay, go ahead. Cool. There you go. Now, it's not super taut, but it's good enough for a cell phone or a plate of food, big old plate of food. And you can put your drinks in your cup holders here.
Yeah.
It is super lightweight. Holy cow, that's super lightweight. It's pretty windy today, so I'm wondering if it'll just all blow away. Alright guys, Dax and I are going to unbag the tent and try and get it set up in this wind. We're out here, it's probably about 60 degrees or so. It's pretty windy today, so we're going to see how well this goes. Let's try it out. There's Mom Diddy. Mom Diddy in the background. Hey, come check this out. It's pretty cool. We noticed too, inside the bag are the instructions on how to set everything up. Yeah. So you just got to follow that. Should be easy as that, right?
Yeah.
It's always as easy as the instructions say. Let's see.
Oh.
There you go.
Done.
Nice work, dude. All right. Oh, the tent poles are already attached, so that's cool. All right, let's see, bud. So here's probably the front. So,
Probably just
all right, it's all in like that. So let's open it up. You grab a corner.
around the tent? That's what it looks like around the tent. Hi. Go, Daddy. Mom, Daddy. Dad. Dad, Daddy. And this way.
It wasn't hard to set up, and it's pretty easy. Comes with these chairs, this table, chairs, has a carrying case. There's a lot to it. Has a little rain shield. Dax does not come with it. Yeah. It's got the sleeping bags. Came in a big old box. I think if you got this out on the grass and had it all tied down and tacked down like supposed to, I think it would be a decent little tent. So we're gonna try it out. Maybe tonight, maybe another night. I'm not sure. It depends on how cold it's gonna get tonight. We live in Delaware, so it's hot one day, cold the next. Today's 60, tomorrow's 42. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching us. Hi, Dax.
Hi, Dad.
All right, guys. We'll see you soon.